Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Tokimori Scar H in tan, and this one is obviously NGRS gun. It's got a level 3 build with a gate basic. So it's gate basic front wide, always install front wide on these. It's got the FireFly hop rubber, Prometheus flat nub. It's got the Prometheus Tightbore barrel and 300mm. It's got the EagleSix M95 spring. It's got a Dean's modification to the rear, and it's got the EagleSix retaining block, which is in the back here, which replaces the fuse block and just gives you a bit more room if you're defusing, while still keeping the wires nice and tight so that customers don't pull them out, and then obviously disconnect the wire in here. As you can see, that's nice and neat and gives you loads of room to push that block onto, push the butt pad on. We've also, so that's basically it in terms of that. FPS is 353 when measured on 0.2s. It's 286 when measured on 2.8s. And we've set up the gun for 2.8s to shoot about 65 meters. So, that's our tested ammo for this particular build. Obviously the FPS will lower down the higher the ammo that you try and send, because obviously it will require more backspin in order to lift it. Be a little bit of a downside with the MOSFET combined with the original EG1000 motor, which is a medium torque, relatively high rate of fire motor. Ironically, it actually ends up being in testing one of the higher rate of fire guns, which when combined with level 3s, sometimes with obviously a really powerful battery, especially 11 volt, can often find the limits of a TM piston. However, like I say, it's in our experience, it doesn't instantly break, nor does it break in a reasonable amount of time, but it possibly can do, because obviously that is motoring. There's no two ways about that. Obviously a level 3 build is all the range and accuracy stuff, but without any of the strengthening. It's got a lovely trigger response from the Gate Titan. There we go. So we're working, and we're going to put the build specification in the description for the video. Any problems, let us know. But hopefully, hope you have a fantastic time with it. Thank you.